Hi, imagine you always wanted to go to a movie, but you didn't find tickets. After a long search, you finally got a ticket to watch your favorite movie. So you jumped right into the car and drive towards the movie theater. Okay, let me ask you one question. What is the first thing that you are going to do when you reach the movie theater? Of course, parking, right? So you have searched the first floor, you didn't find one, okay, and then you went to second floor and you didn't find there either. So you have searched for a long time and finally you got one parking slot. But you didn't realize it that you lost 10 minutes of your movie time. So you may think at that point of time, like if there is efficient parking management, or if I have found the parking slot a bit earlier, I would not lost the time. So for that purpose, we have developed a solution. The hardware that we used in our project is Arduino, GSM Shield, ultrasonic sensor, and 12 volts battery. And the software that we used here is Arduino 1.6.8.
We have created a web page in order to check the availability of parking slot. Now I'm going to show the procedure in order to create a web page in Ostinger.in. Initially, we have to log in into the account and click on hosting button to create a new account. As I've already created a subdomain, we have to enter into this by clicking on it. Then we have to create a database by clicking on MySQL database, and to create a table we have to click on phpMyAdmin. As I've already created a table, here ID shows the slot number and stat shows the status of the slot, which is in myPHP. Then we have to upload the .zip file in import website domain. In .zip file we have two PHPs. One is to update the data and other is to retrieve the data and display on the web page. By uploading the .zip file, we have successfully hosted the web page. Okay. Coming to the hardware, we are connecting ultrasonic sensor and GSM module to the Arduino using M2F connectors, and the 12 volts power supply is given to the GSM module, and the Arduino is connected to the laptop using USB cable. Now let's go into the detail. Now we are inserting the SLIM in the GSM module slot. And we are connecting the ultrasonic sensor to Arduino with pin numbers 13, 12 and 11, in which VCC is connected to the 13th pin and trigger is given to the 12th pin, and echo is connected to the 11th pin, and the ground is connected to the ground, which is in the Arduino, and the ground which is in GSM module is given to the ground in the Arduino, and the receiver pin is connected to the 5th pin of Arduino, and similarly transmitter is connected to the 4th pin. Finally, we are giving a 12 volts power supply to the GSM module, and the Arduino is connected to the laptop using a USB cable. Now we are going to upload the program into the microcontroller. Now we are going to upload the program into the microcontroller. Once it is done uploading, we have to open the serial monitor in which the SIM is configured using the AT commands. initially the slot is empty and it is shown as empty slot in the serial monitor. Once the car comes, the serial monitor is shown as full slot, and the data is updated, and the web page on the right side shows the slot as filled. As your project is prone to many feature upgradations, we are planning to build an app to check the availability of parking slots. In future, there may be a scope to integrate the camera for surveillance.
Due to the ever-increasing number of cars on the road, there is a need for efficient parking management, and we hope that our project would prove as a solution to this problem. Thank you very much.
Thank you.